Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream glue for phone cases. First, gather your essential materials, including 1 tube of silicone sealant, about 2 cups of cornstarch, and your favorite acrylic paints. You'll also need a mixing bowl, a spoon, a piping bag, and a clean phone case. Make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area for safety and comfort. This preparation ensures a smooth crafting experience from start to finish. Now, let's create the cream glue base. In your mixing bowl, combine 1 part silicone sealant with 2 parts cornstarch. For example, if you use 100 milliliters of sealant, add 200 milliliters of cornstarch. Mix these ingredients thoroughly using your spoon until they form a thick, dough-like consistency. If the mixture feels too stiff, add a very small amount of water, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon, to help it come together smoothly. This step is crucial for the right texture. Next, it's time to add some vibrant color and a lovely scent to your cream glue. Squeeze a few drops of your chosen acrylic paint into the mixture. Start with a small amount, like 5 to 10 drops, and mix it in completely until the color is uniform throughout. If you desire a pleasant aroma, you can also add 1 or 2 drops of your favorite essential oil, such as lavender or citrus. Mix again to ensure everything is well combined, creating a beautiful and fragrant glue. Finally, let's apply your custom cream glue. Carefully transfer the finished mixture into a piping bag fitted with your desired nozzle. Now, unleash your creativity and decorate your phone case with unique designs, swirls, or even tiny 3-dimensional elements. Once your masterpiece is complete, set the phone case aside in a dry, well-ventilated spot. Allow it to cure completely for 24 to 48 hours to ensure the cream glue hardens perfectly and lasts a long time. Enjoy your personalized case.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.